30th of April 2024. I was recording my silver bullet trade today, but OBS has got some issues. So what we can do is to go through this now, step by step. I took some scalps here, and then I was sitting in the short. Once we started to break, I went short. I added here and there, and that was the minor buy side liquidity, which I expected we're gonna fall lower. But let me just make it actually supposed to be red. But market pulled it back up. The only reason why I hold my short, because I kept my short here, was because we took that high. I knew that market already sold into this liquidity. There was a first drop. They pulled it up. They took all the shorts up. And after that, we started to fall. So on that drop, this is where I started to cover here, 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 here. And that was my final cover here of 15 contracts. I was 35 MES contracts altogether. And I made like a $900. I took a short here thinking that we may continue lower, but no, they decided to push higher. So this is where we are at the moment. It is 11:21. So the silver bullet trade happened. And let's quickly have a look as well here. That is ES, 15 minutes. That's pretty much what we had. On ES, we had equal highs here. So MES we pushed through it, but not on ES. That's worth to notice. And now we just dropped. There was a good entry here of that fair value gap. I was considering to go short, but because I already made like 900, I was like, okay, let's just finish the day. And now we are going back into this bullish fair value gap. After the drop, when we took liquidity, we took a lot of liquidity right now. And to be honest, I am tempted to get long. Oh, they missed that. Of that fair value gap. That would be a good entry. I got long as well here too early. Just got out here for break even. But now that looks like a decent entry, but we still have 7 more minutes. And market could continue lower and try to grab that. Try to grab that buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity. So if I get in here,
order submitted, order filled.
I need to be prepared to close my trade here, pretty much. Even lower, to be honest. Even here, the moment we'll break that fair value gap, we'll start to go lower. I don't want to be in this trade anymore because I won't believe it. This fair value gap needs to hold now. And we need to get back up here and start to climb higher. So that's just a little long position of the fair value gap. We'll see how that works. Yeah. It's not gonna work. All right, I can see it's already. Okay, maybe not. they did buy that. Let's see if we're gonna have. No,
Order
don't like
filled.
that anymore. The reason for that, we still have this liquidity at 110, 100, and yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. That was the entry, but I think that liquidity at 110 wants to be traded. And in 5 more minutes, we could drop. Who knows? Maybe even trade lower to 100. We'll see. So far, this fair value gap held. Four minutes more on this. On this period. We might trade up here. And there's this bearish fair value gap, which if we go above, it will become inverted fair value gap. But we have to go above, stay on it. And so till then, let's leave it as a red one. Drop. Yeah, that will have been 3 points on it. Three more minutes. $1,000 on that 1 minute candle. That's a lot. 1,000. We have 1,600. All right. And going down, we had 1,500, 900. So, yeah. Let's see if I was right about it. I mean, this liquidity, also the 15 minutes candle has been swept only by like one tick. So I would like to see at least 2 points. Plus, let's not forget that we do have another level of liquidity down here. And we do have this fair value gap. Well, let me put that fair value gap here. There you go. It's actually like this. That's the order block. That is the order block. Order block is here. So I'm going to put that as well. This one is better. This level is better, basically. That's the level. Yeah. Right. Okay, we'll go 1 minute on this period. Somebody's waiting 105, 102, 100. So 105 is here, 100 is here. Are we gonna get down there? Who knows? That's not a typical time when I trade, but just wanted to talk about my trade from the silver bullet trade, which hasn't been recorded properly. Something wrong with my OBS. It didn't record it. It just didn't record it at all. Couldn't finish recording. Alright, okay, it looks like we could break that low. We got liquidity 105, 110 waiting to be traded. We have that 15 minutes candle here now. Yep, that's pretty much what it is. That's 15 minutes candle. Liquidity, the market can go take all of it. Half an hour candle, that's pretty much half an hour candle. It's a 15 and 15. That's oh, let's see. Alright, so this fair value gap, if this candle will close below, yeah, there you go, it didn't hold. So that's done. Going down. Let's see if we're gonna grab the liquidity. 105 should be traded. And the fair value gap is here. I'm gonna look for this fair value gap. Here. So there you go. That's it, it's here. The final liquidity, sell side. If we break that, we can tap into this and see how far we're gonna go. I also want to have a look. Dollar is pushing. Where's Amazon? Amazon. Give me Amazon. Here you go. There you go. Amazon is approaching the liquidity level. And I think it will be swept. There's another one here. Sell side liquidity. I'm sure they would like to take that. Today Amazon has got the earnings at the end of the day, so we might get that kind of drop. Don't know if we're gonna go that deep, but like a drop and then let's draw it properly, what this could do. Where is that? Yeah, I could just drop here, take that low, and by the end of the day, be somewhere here. We'll check that. All right, back to ES. Let's watch what ES has done. So we did take that liquidity. Now trying to get back. And I am tempted now. Now I like that. More.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go now long here with the stop below that low. Even below that low. Because if we turn around and start to go lower, then now we have to take that. This is that was a bullish. Now it's a inverted fair value gap, so we need to squeeze through it and go higher. We can do it. Fine. Here is target. to sell. That's a scalp. It'll be 5-point scalp, no more than that. But I need to push through this. Hold. This will be inverted fair value gap. There we go. We have just created bullish fair value gap. Yeah. See that? That's the bullish fair value gap. So my stop loss goes here. You know, this has to hold right now, and we might push now. I mean, we might cover quite a lot of trading range up to 120 from what I see on Bookmap. All right, let's see if it's gonna hold. We might add in here
Order
another
submitted.
5 if we tap into that fair value gap. So as you can see, this bearish fair value gap, sorry, that bullish fair value gap, which was here and then it was broken, now it becomes active again as inverted. We took liquidity down here. Beautiful drop.
Order
There we go.
filled.
We are in. I'm gonna go somewhere here. That's my stop loss. As long as I see this liquidity, I'm happy to hold. It's pretty much where I'm gonna close. Just before it. We'll see. I mean, they should close even 20, right? They're talking about 20 here. They are talking about 20 here. 15, 17. That's pretty much realistic. 16, 17. Yeah, that's a realistic range. We'll see if that works. We do have some liquidity, you know, 705. But they might leave that for later. Once we take this high. Hopefully that's what's going to happen. And my stop loss should be down here, like for the, you know, like a final thing, really. So let's put it down there, to be honest, you know, just to be honest. But I want to monitor that. I might bail at some point, you know. I'm not holding like crazy stuff because only if I see these things falling, I'm done. I should hold and we should push towards 15. Soon. But if we drop, then we only drop to 207 to 05 just to go back up again. So that's the time of the day when big moves are not happening. The big move already happened. Now it's kind of range that I might not even close this. I might just even like hold this trade to add more here or push back up there, you know. I can just do that. That's not that's my trading. That's how I see the market. Even if we drop lower there, I might just Okay, I can. Okay, let's say this. Okay, I can close everything, but that means I'm gonna re-enter here with even bigger position. Yeah, I might do that. So I'll prepare myself for this. I might even go like 20 here if I see 105. Or I'm gonna close all of it soon if we're not gonna bounce from here. That's always this dilemma of trader. Is this level gonna hold or not? Have they got enough to start to climb higher? Is this thing a drop? Or is this thing just to liquidity hunt? You know, all the time this dilemma is. Alright, now it looks like it's dropping. Let's see how far we're gonna drop. Yeah, so this fair value gap didn't hold. We have not pushed through inverted fair value gap. I'm gonna be stopped. Fine. Okay, so I'm stopped. Meaning I'm waiting now for 105. I'm gonna go
Order submitted.
again here. 10.
Order submitted.
Can I see? Can I get it? 105. Or it's gonna go up without me. It's not
Order
falling.
filled.
Let's get in here. One. Package. Let's see if we're gonna get this 15. 10 more here. Lower. There we go. Yeah. Even 100, I can see some 100. Yeah. Okay. It's gonna happen. 105. Let's just see 105. 5 at 105.
Order cancelled. Order
Let's
submitted.
see if we can get 5. 5 at 105. Already taking off. Yeah, you see it. 100, even 100. So we're gonna be buying on the way down. We're gonna be buying this 105, 100. If we're gonna see that, if market selling is gonna push higher, then there you go. That means that they have enough to sell up here. 105 should be traded, so I'm gonna it's not doing it yet. Alright, holding it, and looks like we're gonna trade higher.
Order
I'll try
submitted.
to get in here one more.
Order filled.
It's pretty much where we got stopped, a little bit higher. If we go lower, then I'm gonna head. But eventually, they will try to sell into the 15 minutes, and there's another 15 minutes. So we have 15 minutes here. Another 15 minutes liquidity is down here. So that's pretty much target for the little range. That will be what? 6 points. If we drop lower, we can add. But now I'm gonna wait till we get to 105, maybe 2. Yeah. 5, 2.5. It's like a range trading right now. Lunchtime range trading drop. They're gonna be playing around with buy side and low side and sell side liquidity in this range. And at some point we'll push into this, sell, then we can return again, go even lower, this sort of thing. Or we just go lower now and grab that what we have, 105, 102, 110. But this trading can last like for hours, and then at the end of the day we might be up here at 40, 50, 42 was the level. Yeah. So I'm willing to hold that as well if I get a good entry here. I might hold this for hours into the close. Close is in 5 hours, almost 4 hours. So yeah. Because of Amazon, because of all of those companies that they're actually reporting. Oh, there we go. Look at the Amazon. Amazon already. So we dropped into this liquidity. Beautiful. And we might go a little bit lower. We might not. Yeah, Amazon is kind of buying there. 105. Yeah, it would be nice if we just could just get in there and start to. It doesn't need to happen now, it can happen later. Yeah, so Amazon took that low. And another, yeah, from Friday. I would say that's a good place to buy Amazon. Somewhere here. I get over the push into that liquidity 05, 02. Let's see. Might get a bit greedier and try to see it push into. I'm gonna give space because this is trade 4. Come on. Drop to 102 even. 2.5, 100. Let's see. Maybe that's what they're gonna do. Or maybe they won't do it now. They will do it later. I really want to hold that till close, because I think that's look how much buy side liquidity have we got. We got a lot. If we drop even lower, then at some point, they're gonna buy that. They're gonna buy that somewhere here. Anything below 104, 100, probably we might even drop to this 100. Yeah. So we might get a flush into this 100. Yeah, 100, 102. Somewhere here. Like a quick drop. 7 more minutes on this period. Flush, come back, and start to go up. Yeah.
Order submitted.
That's what I want. Let's see. Amazon is pulling up already. See that? There you go. Looks like we're gonna push. The question is, well, are we going to revisit that later? Or are we just gonna leave it? We might revisit later. But at this point, I will treat this as a scalp. The market is pushing higher. That's a nice push. Liquidity at 102 gone. 100 stayed. Are we holding it now? Got 4 minutes on this period. It looks like they want to go higher. 115 is the target. This 15-minute liquidity. We might go higher. I'm gonna close 5 here.
Order submitted.
Into that 15-minute liquidity, and then let's see if we're gonna push higher with the rest. Back to that bullish fair value gap, which now is acting as resistance. But we just created another 2 fair value gaps here. We're pushing higher. $11 to $15. That's a possible squeeze. If we drop into this fair value gap, I'm gonna add.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
It's not gonna happen.
Order canceled.
They will not let me get in. No way. No way. There's gonna be just straight up push. 3 more minutes. That's another fair value gap here. Between this and that. This works as an inverted one. Let's have a look. 740. That's a big, decent cumulative data on 1 minute. Very promising, very, very promising push. First liquidity is here to sell into. And the second liquidity is up here. But that's not a 15-minute liquidity. Alright, looks like we might get back into this fair value gap. Yeah, we just did. And another push into that level. Quick look at Amazon. Yeah, Amazon is climbing a little bit. Good. That's good. That is good. Wish I had more from here, from this level. Then I would be closing 2 of them, and I could keep the last one. One would be closed here, another one here, and I could keep the last one for a possible move back into the highs. $12. Let's see if we're gonna get that push in here. Market kind of stopped. Let's try to be more,
Order
Oh,
cancelled.
looks like now we're gonna go to this 100. Fine.
Order submitted.
Let's buy 100. Gonna grab this. Gonna grab that low. Or is this just a liquidity grab before we're gonna push higher? Let's see. Can get out here, break even, hold. I'm gonna hold it. 112, 115. Let's see. They're gonna try that. So this could have been just a pullback to scare everybody. To grab liquidity. To tell everybody like, yeah, bail out of this long. Because we're going lower. But my position is small. That's the reason I'm gonna hold this. And I know those lunch kind of moves, the way they play it. You think they're gonna go lower? They attracted a lot of shorts right now, and they will take the shots up and squeeze through that 15 minutes, because now we have 15 minutes here candle. That is another 15 minutes liquidity. And we can push through that into here, and it's one of the possibilities. We do have liquidity up there. 12, 13, 15. Maybe not 1675, but up to 15 years. And we could also get a flash to the downside to 100. But that's what I want to buy. Even more. If that happens. nasty flash to the downside. Then grab and just go half a point above 100. Yeah. It's lunch trading. Second time we're gonna go up there, we will take that 15 level. Maybe not 17, but 15 we should. At least 13. And then we can roll to the downside again. To 100. Oh, we're gonna get a flush now. One of those scenarios. Either way, I'm gonna be long and hold, because look at that, a lot of trading here. POC is up here. The market will come back into POC. 136 eventually, plus earnings. What they want to do, they just want to buy at a good price. That's what they're doing right now. Amazon buying at the cheap price, 178. It has been trading at 182. See that? Today, overnight, 182, 183, and now you could buy it for 178. That's $5, right? That is $5. So it's cheap. That is cheap. I'm just gonna hold it. Because if market gets back up here, by the end of the day, that's 30 points for me. 30 points is on 10 MES. That's $1,500 if I hold it. They might just pop, drop, that will drop. Then I'm gonna add even more. Yeah, it's just time now, really. So I'm gonna stop this video and we'll come back when something's gonna happen. And something is starting to happen now. Let's see if we're gonna get to this 15. We got a nice push. Let's go one tick below. Yeah, I want to close one here and a second one. We'll see. We'll see how market will behave around this area. 15, 16. What they're gonna do. Bullish favoring up here. Tapping into it. Down head.
Order
Fucking
submitted.
head. Let's see. Got 13 minutes past. No,
Order
let's skip it
cancelled.
because I'm already. It's just too many. I need to control the risk. At any point, we can just drop here and take that low. Because this low has to be traded as well. But I think first we're just gonna put here, and then we might come back down. This liquidity needs to be served first. So let's see how far we're gonna get a push. Finger on the button. Because the moment we take that, and the market's not gonna continue if I don't see more liquidity coming underneath. I'm closing it because most likely we'll trade down again. That's just what is it, 12:15 right now, so it's not a time to make a move. It's not a time to make a move. Although sometimes market is making move. These are, so you have to be statistically, they prefer to make a move around. That looks empty. That looks empty. That looks good. No more liquidity down here. It's just this 5100. You know, this can stay forever and never been traded. Short attracted here. Wanted to close into 100. Short attracted here one more time into this low. They didn't get it. Now we're gonna push through this. They will start to stop. They will start to close the position. They will be covering now. Should get a nice push into that level. And then immediately next one. How about we take and we close 3 here.
Order
We'll
submitted.
leave the 2. 15 level, 16 level. So I'm gonna close. Yeah, here. Now we should get a push. Stop losses are here. Stop losses are here. Stop losses are here. Let's see if they're gonna trigger the stop losses. Come on, market. Let's do it. Let's do it. No. 16, 12, 16. Waiting till more shorts get in there. That's a double top for retail traders. Oh, it's a double top. Let me show that we're gonna go down. Yes, it could happen. Or they're gonna take you up here. We see liquidity is there. So shorts are smiling now. It's going down. Okay. Back to fair value gap. See if we break that and go low. Oh, we just pop. Not much liquidity down here. 108, 107. There's nothing here. It's empty. A lot of liquidity waiting here. 13, 14, 15. So let's take these shots up. Let's take them for a ride. $19 past. Let's try to do that. To and through. That is yeah. It's a 15 minutes liquidity here. And now let's go for it. Gosh, I'm so tempted to add to this, but I know I shouldn't. But probably it's gonna work. We're gonna be soon at 16 in a split second. And that'll be a beautiful 4 points. Let's go. $20 past. Stop losses are popping. There we go. So at this point, this trade needs to work or I have to close. We did take some liquidity. Oh, another liquidity level to be taken. There we go. We grabbed something. I could serve only on one MES contract. Come on. I mean, you got those shots. You're holding the shots by the ball, by the balls. So you better go up there and squeeze them. Please, pretty please. God damn it. What to do now? I should squeeze them. Come on. Squeeze, motherfucker. Now I'm gonna close
Order
this thing here.
cancelled.
I need to take some of it. And let's keep this free up there. Actually, I'm gonna one tick below because it's front running. It's a major problem. Let's go. We have liquidity up to 119, 120. So technically speaking, got 7 more minutes. We could go there. All right. 120 as a final push. Okay, I'm gonna close this free here, like I said. I can see 16.5, somebody waiting to sell, just like me. Let's go one tick below. Just let's go in front of him. It's lunchtime. That's the problem. 6 more minutes. Fuck off.
Order filled.
921 for a day. Maybe I just... No, the only reason, it's lunch. We did sell into that. We did sell into that 15 minutes as well. At lunchtime. Click on that thing. Yeah. Lunchtime. What they like to do at lunchtime is they're not going to push into these obvious levels immediately. They will pull back, and let's say they're going to go and grab that liquidity first, and then we're going to go to the outside liquidity. So decided to take, I took some I had a loss here, so I decided to take it what I can, and well, that's okay. I do think that this 100 can be traded. Oh, we'll have to wait for it, and we have time. We still have time. It is it's 12:26. So let's see. I'm gonna pause this video here and come back when something So 2 more minutes, 1 minute and 17 seconds. That's the level. And we could go down. We could push up. We go down, grab the liquidity. It's just too flat. It's just asking to be traded, really. So I'm happy with my long into this level. I grabbed around, I don't know, $250 to $60 on that. And yeah, we'll see. They're gonna push, or we're gonna drop one more time here. And because it's lunch, they love to just go up and down, and then grab this stuff. Grab all of that, trade into 100 or even below. Bear in mind that we have this fair value gap here. You know, this is half of it. That's 95. We could even trade into the bottom of it at some point, into this bullish 15 minutes order block. But that's the action. That's the actual order block. Sorry, that's that candle here. That's the fair value gap. So 50% of it. These things can happen. There you go. So that was a good escape. Take money and run. Good. All right. 100 will be traded, most likely now. We have a full hour. It's 12:30. That's the liquidity down here. Packet can go, grab that. And stay even lower. Start to buy again somewhere here. I'm actually tempted to sell. I'm just
Order
gonna jump
filled.
on the little short here into this liquidity. Just a little scalp. Little scalpito. Right? 100 should be traded, to be honest. That's how I see it. 105. That's why you got liquidity. Don't be too greedy because you're gonna be traded up after that. Then you don't make any money. So that's just momentum trade into liquidity level. And that's it. Nothing else. Nothing else. And there is fair value gap is here now. Bearish one. We'll most likely we're not going to even revisit it because market will continue now. It's a momentum trade right now. We'll push through this.
Target
Boom.
filled.
That's it. Thank you very much. That was just like, what was it, $60 on it? Yeah. That's fine. Let's wait for this 100. And see what they're gonna do at 100. If we're gonna go to 95. Order block is at 90. Let's quickly see what Amazon is doing. Amazon is doing the same, although they have not taken the low yet, so wait for it. Tapping into this 100. I'm so tempted to go long over this 100 for a little bounce, but I'm gonna give a little bit of time for price to develop. I don't see any liquidity above here at the moment, so but this will change. Yeah, so we did actually travel to 101. Yeah. One on one. There we go. 195 is already waiting. Let's just do a measure move. Measure move of this range is that it's 93, 94. It's basically middle of that.
Order submitted.
That's the middle of that fair value gap. We're gonna buy here. I think that would be a good price to start buying. 95. They want, yeah, 95 wants to be traded. 92 as well. Let's quickly have a look here. 89. Like everybody's giving up right now. Amazon is about to break the law. And we might travel. And we might even travel to 92. I've seen some liquidity here. So that will be a good purchase. Quickly have a look on Amazon. Still needs to take that low. I mean, doesn't need to, but they could. Right. So at 100 level, we traded to 96. A lot of people got long of that 100. It's a psychological number. Market can pull lower. Now they will be getting out. If they have an opportunity to get out. 95, 92. Do we see anything below? No. So I want to buy this. Maybe 95, 92.
Order submitted.
Something like that. Or maybe I'll wait for this order block. Because we have trapped buyers here at 90. 19 and a half. So I'm gonna go 91. If I can see this price. Mm. 95. Measured move is 94. Are we gonna get that? This is how that looks like right now. 15 minutes. 94 is the 50% of its fair value gap. So I would like to get anything below that. 94, 91. That's why I'm just scaling into this trade. I'm not going with the full position straight away. Yeah. All right. Let's wait a little bit. Yeah, so market is still waiting to be served at 95. Let's see how far we're gonna drop. I'd like to see a flash. Beautiful flash. We got low. Yeah, we got something at 90 now waiting. Let's see if we're gonna get it at 90. We might get cheaper price. Much cheaper price than we have now. That's the order block. We might tap into this order block. Here you go. 92 wants to be traded. 90 as well. I'm just gonna go long here. 92. Okay. 94. Yeah, somewhere here. Really. I might get a nice flush. I might get a nice flush to the downside. I wanna be in it. Come on. Drop to 90. Drop down there. Free points is free points. I need them. Tap into this order block, please. Front running. 43 past 12. We still have time. They might build liquidity here and then take it. So even if I go long right now, that's going to be just a scalp. So any bounce off this level here, it might be sold later. There we go. Hello. Give me the 90. 90.75. No? Tried second time, they couldn't. Okay, so we're gonna have a 15 minutes candle now. They should take that 15 minutes candle before we're gonna move higher. There is a 15 minutes candle now. I should go and grab it. One tick below. Come on, take it. Can go even lower, obviously, but 92.75 will be fine. Come on.
Order filled.
All right, got it. It's 12:45. We'll see. We'll see. So let me push into this area. It's like 10 points. I'm gonna close because I don't think that we're just gonna keep going. That will be if we sell into that. I want to take the profit and try to get in one more time. Plus, this is my 1/3 of my position. Usually I go with 15. Now we do have liquidity. 100, 101 even. So that's like 9 points. If we get there, I will most likely take that money and run. Yeah, 100. We broke that 100. We have some people trapped at 100, so I need to sell below here. There's plenty of people bought that 100, and they will get out. So let's not get too greedy. 99 is fine. Well, as you can see, there's still liquidity below 90. As I said, if we drop lower, I'm gonna buy and hold till we get up there again. But if we just push right now, I'm gonna sell because I expect market will come down again. It's a front running pretty much. It can get us to 100. I can see liquidate 100, 101. So yeah. To be honest, I want to add into that. 100, 99.50. Yeah, somewhere here. Maybe above this push, a little push up here, and we drop lower. That's 12.50. What Amazon is doing? Amazon is holding. We're gonna push up here, grab everything, and then we're gonna go. Oh, we'll go now. Let's see. Let's get greedy. 102. Let's get greedy. 51. 12.51. How about we're gonna go up there? So that was the measured move I was talking about. You see? Range from here to there. Measured move. Pretty much went a little bit lower. Overshoot. Here's the buy side. But that's not in 15 minutes. 15 minutes is up here. Up here. Oh, let's put that. That is 15 minutes. Liquidity. And we have liquidity up here. We're buying here, we sold up there, there was a drop. It was just a little scalp, I didn't expect we're just gonna fall, but yeah, we did. That's fine. Let's see, 92, 90, got 7 more minutes. They could go down there, grab all of that liquidity has been traded here. If they do, that's fine. This is 1/3 of my position. The market has no reason to go lower today, honestly. This is where we were yesterday. We closed yesterday here. 147. 147. This is where we closed yesterday. This is 50 points drop already. Based on what? On rumors, nothing else. Fine, I should just. Yeah, let's wait. I didn't know I was talking about. I took that long out here only because of that fair value gap here on the short side. I knew the shorts they had stop losses above that fair value gap. If you don't know where is the fair value gap, it's here. It was here. And they had stops here, so we popped them. And back. And now I'm hoping to buy this even cheaper.
Order
Even
submitted.
90. That's the level that we should go through. That is order block. The blue line, order block. Hopefully we're gonna drop here. But we'll see. I mean, this whole play is to catch the cheapest price in anticipation of the move to these highs at the end of the day. So at the moment, that's like 55 points. We can catch something here. That's like 55 points. Because of Amazon. Only because of Amazon. So that's what I want to see. I want this price to break that low, break this, grab that liquidity, and then we're gonna go. But you know, as always, you might be missing it. That's it. They might go without me. Already took money from here to there, so far so good. And I see a bit of liquidity here. $500. All right. Looks like they want to go up there. 102. Another leg up. This time bullish. It's my bullish leg ups. No. All right. Let's see if I leg up. Bear in mind, they did not take that level. They left it. They could easily pop it. They decided not to do it. So, why? We're gonna come back. More buyers. I don't want to buy here. I do not want to buy this. I'll tell you why I don't want to buy. See this thing here? Boom. Might work initially. See this thing here? See that? No liquidity up here. I'm not gonna buy if I don't see liquidity. Simple as that. That's why I use Bookmap together with ICT concept. So I want to see that. I want to see liquidity. Oh, there is liquidity up here waiting. Okay, I'm gonna buy that fair value gap up here. Because at least I have a goal, a target. If at 105 there was liquidity, 107, 110, liquidity is stuck over here, up here, then I could buy that. But I don't see that. So where is this market going to go? Here's liquidity. Here's a bit of liquidity. This 5090 wants to be traded. And what is at 5090? It's 92. Yeah, we have liquidity at 92. And 90. So we'll see. And that is a bullish for this is bullish for it was a bullish for value gap, and now it's bearish. Now it's bearish, right? Let's just change this into red. We have a little bit of liquidity up here, 103. It's just the time is important. It's only 1 o'clock in New York. That's lunch. I want this level to be swept into this order block. And that will be a perfect entry here. Why? Because we have trapped shorts here that they've been taking out. I mean, they've been taken up here. And they will have an opportunity to get out for the first time since they have been trapped. Yeah, we'll see. And when I look at bookmap, do I see that on bookmap? 5090. That's 5090 here. There you go. See that? They are sitting down there, waiting, praying for a price to drop down there. So let's see. These shorts will be covering. I'm gonna go in front of them. So to make sure I can get in with a good price. Let's secure myself entry here. Maybe even high, maybe 91.25. Just once we take that, a lot of selling from here will go into a lot of buying. Yeah. $92, somebody we at 85. Not a lot, but there is something. It's just waiting game. Really, that's what it is, trading. Alright, I'm just gonna stop this video. I mean, I'm gonna pause this video here and resume it when something happens. Looks like we're breaking to the downside. Am I gonna get that 90-20 for that? Let's say 90-50. Come on. Get down there. 90 want to be traded again. Question is it gonna be traded? You see how this trapped longs shorts from here escaping? Immediately when the price dropped here, they were waiting to close position. Let's see if we're gonna get a little more push here into 90. Come on, push into that. Let's wait for the 90 because we might just stay here for a while. We have some trapped longs, and they will give as well. They're gonna sell one more time. We push. They're gonna sell. Then we may. Let's measure that move, because this move could be, another measured move down here to close this fair value gap. But I will be satisfied with this price here at 90. I'll add another one here at 84 if I see it. So far, I don't see any liquidity above. There's something waiting, little one. Low liquidity here at 100, but they're already here. They disappeared. Look at that. Got somebody waiting at 85. Let's move to 85 then. 86. Let's move here. Let's be greedy. Let's be greedy and grab the best possible entry we can have today. 85. Wow. From 150 to 85. That's 70. What is it? 65 points from the top.
So we're shortly expecting results from the Fed reverse repo facility.
Okay.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of financial
Technically
news
speaking, we
for a
did
year's
take
worth of
that
service for the
by
price
1
of
point.
1 month and save 92%.
We did take that. We still got 15 more minutes. So you see how that was a bullish fair value gap, it didn't work. You have to check that.
76 counterparties take
You have to always check it with a
$534.234
bookmap.
billion at the Fed reverse repo operation.
Still no liquidity above. We're just trending lower. We're just trending lower. And 90 wants to be served one more time, even 85. Yeah. $85 is here. Technically speaking, they want to close this fair value gap. 85, yeah. Flush. Final push. Final flush. Let's just be cheeky.
Order
I don't
submitted.
even get this. Like something like that. Imagine you were holding this long. Once 113, you didn't take the profits here, like when I took it. And now you're just 20 points lower. All the time you have to think about that. Like, what happens with these longs? They're giving up, giving up, giving up. They give it back to big banks. They buy all those banks, these big banks. I call them they collect it here. They collect it here. They might collect it here again. Stepping down. Market. Yeah. This level. Boom. Here they took it. Stop losses. Look how they bought it. Accumulated. Pushed higher. Take out this shorts. Drop again. Take stop losses over the longs. Push up here. They got even more longs. Everybody was like, yeah, I was long here as well. but I sold here. I was long. I was long here, and I sold here. And now, my thing about, oh, why didn't you show this? Why? Because of Amazon. At any point, they could start to climb, and once
So
we
from the
go,
State
we
Department,
go
the
there.
US has not seen a credible Israeli plan
There will
that
be
would address
no
the varying areas of concern in
opportunity to
Rafah.
get in long. Once they start move, forget the value gaps. Forget, oh, they're not going to be revisited. You have no chance to get in. If you have a fair value gap in 1 minute, you will have 1 second to decide you want to get in or not. And when you press the button, it's going to be already too late. So you just need to jump on it, and that's it. You know, imagine some people buying this. Some people were buying long here. Amazon today, they were buying here because it was cheap. Market opened up there. What was it? Let me check quickly. Where did we open? We opened at 131. 131. Well, let's put that. 131 here. I'm just gonna make it look some different color, violet. That's 131. Well, you're not gonna take that. I've got 10 more minutes. This is how we opened. That was cheap. It was below open. Right? People bought here. Boom. Yeah. I want a cheeky long down here. Let's see. Might not get it. What they say on CNBC. McDonald's and other big brands warn that low-income customers are starting to crack. Dow tumbles 300 points to close out losing April as Fed decision looms. Yeah, that's bullshit. They're not tumbling because of that. They're tumbling because they want to take your stop loss. They don't give a shit about what's happening tomorrow. They already know what's going to happen with Fed tomorrow. There will be no decision, and we stay where we are, 5.50. That's it. Tesla, PayPal, Tesla. Tesla was yesterday, wasn't it? I think it was yesterday. No, sorry, Tesla is actually. Tesla was last week. What am I talking about? Yeah, look at that. So technically they did take that low. That's the problem. That's the problem. They did take that low. We are up $1,123 for today. Unfortunately, my silver bullet trade did not work. I mean, it worked, but my OBS didn't work, so I couldn't record it. I recorded it, but I didn't record, so OBS is just sometimes doing that. So you couldn't see it live, but we discussed it at the beginning of this video. Look at that. It's 85. It's like fading away.
So just keeping an eye on the markets here. Dollar, as per the
Right,
Dixie,
50,
currently
19.
up 0.5% on the session. S&P still down around 1%.
This could go now. This is the time where it's 123. That's why we have to be in it. I wanted to be in it, but my entry was a little bit too high, too low. It was here, somewhere here, 90. 90.75. Never got that. What Amazon does? Oh, Amazon. Amazon is already equal low, equal high. The reason I'm looking at Amazon because Amazon has got earnings today. That's the biggest one. Yeah. That's a fair value gap here. 50. We took 50% of it. Anything below 50 is a really good entry. We did take one entry, and there was another one. I was hoping for another one here. 75, but didn't get that. So what next? A little bullish fair value gap here. $95s. Bullish. All right. $26 past 4 minutes. We'll have so I'm gonna close this. This is the 15 minutes candle. It can be traded. So basically in 3 minutes, more or less in 3 minutes, we can push into that and sell into this level. A lot of shorts here with stop losses. And this could start a move towards that high. That's another 15 minutes, and that is another 15 minutes. Half an hour candle. This whole range pretty much. And that will give us 20 points range. If you want to look at this way. Pulling, I think I'm gonna grab, yeah,
Order filled.
this 5 minute candle. I mean that 1 minute fair value gap. We'll push into here. Let's see what they're gonna do. They're gonna push and sell, or we're gonna collapse. If we collapse, I close. And we wait for the entry at 90 again and 95. All right, we're climbing higher. 100. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do. Got 2 minutes to close this period. I have a little bit of liquidity at 102, 102, and 105 even. But 102 is the main thing, main event. But are we gonna get it? Let's see. this is the beginning of the bigger move. Oh, we're gonna go down one more time to grab that liquidity. If we take that 102, got liquidity below, so I'm gonna go below as well. If we take that 102 and push higher, then yes, we can expect price to start climb. But it doesn't look like it, to be honest. One more minute. One more minute.
Order filled.
All right, I'm out. So I'm out because of I don't see much liquidity. I was expecting this fair value gap to play immediately, and we are already at 130. So thank you very much. Not interested anymore. I think we're gonna go low. It was that quick to make a decision. See that? I should even short that, to be honest, but I don't want to short in the hole. It's just forget it. I will prefer
Order
get
submitted.
long one more time at this 90 level. 90, because now we're gonna take that. I think we're gonna take that properly. By proper take, I mean at least. So if that was 92, yeah, 2 points, 3 points, you know, that's what I would expect. 15, 19. We'll see. Technically speaking, we have another half an hour before I move to the upside. But you know, you never know. This fair value gap has been mitigated, so for me, that's inverted fair value gap now. To the downside. It was bullish. We closed
US
below.
Treasury Secretary Yellen says
Two
it's highly
candles.
likely that shelter
Only one
inflation will
candle
fall
closed
in
below.
the next year.
So, we'll see. Should short this, to be honest.
Protect your trades from macro
Short
headline
in the
risk
hole.
with
I'm not gonna
Financial
short
Juice
anything
Pro. Now
after
only
such a big
$99
drop.
a year for our real-time service.
That's 50 points drop. Come on. There you go. Still fighting. Engineering more liquidity in this range. We'll have liquidity on both sides. Look at this engineering to the tick. Here we got this level. Here's the order block. let's wait. I'll post this video. About 20 more minutes till what? Till the spirit will close. We have this equal high again. We're gonna take that. Okay, I think we're taking it. Yes, and we should push into this one as well. 115, so somebody's waiting. So that means that that was the best entry. And that was the second bottom. We never traded lower. Now we're pushing higher. And I probably missed that trade. Let's see. Alright, we are tapping into this trapped liquidity up here. This trap longs. Not yet, but almost. Let's see if we're gonna sell now. Or we're just gonna continue high. I mean, technically speaking, you could sell that. Yeah, the liquidity has been taken. Just jump on the short side.
Order cancelled.
Or look for fair value gap here. Then you can short, but I'm not gonna do it. Because we can just travel higher. Yeah. And look at that, they don't even give you an opportunity to get in on the shots. Immediately sold. 95 wants to be traded, 90 wants to be traded, 85 wants to be traded. There we go. Where is my fair value gap to get in? Technically speaking is here. When this candle closes. Now we have it. I don't know how far we're gonna bounce. Let's see if we're gonna push into it. I'm already late. They have sold.
Order
Let's
submitted.
try a cheeky short here. See if you can get it. See if you can get it. Here and here. Well, no, that's not that too greedy. One tick. Yeah, one tick about that. Let's see if it's gonna work or not. It's 1 minute. Fair value, bearish fair value gap. Come on. Get me in. Take me in. One tick lower than.
Order
There we
filled.
go. Let's see if it's gonna work or not. But it has to work immediately. I'm not gonna wait till if we start to push high, I'm out. And 5090 target. Let's see. No. Got 95 waiting. 95 is gone. Got 90 waiting as well. Go and grab the liquidity down there at 92. Come on, take it all. That's the time to take everything. Hmm. Doesn't look like it wants to go low. Ignoring this fair value gap now. Let's see how it's gonna close. So far, none of the candles closed. Got 15 more seconds on this 1 minute. And we have 4 minutes and 5 minutes. Yeah, we closed above. So
Order filled.
I'm out. So that was a bearish fair value gap, which now becomes inverted fair value gap, which is yellow. Alright, didn't work. It's fine. $105. So we did take the level. $47. There's a lot of liquidity, here and here. Why I cannot? So, yeah. I would like to see this to be taken. Is a whole thing. But technically speaking, it has been taken here. Part of it, half of it. We have been trading here. Into this order block. This one minute. So yeah, you can just go up from now. Let's sell into here, and the view up is above 121. That's 20 points from here. And I'm tempted, I'm really tempted to go long, but just don't want to go long right now here. That's the problem. 5 more minutes. 12 more minutes. Yeah. I'm buying it. 110, another liquidity. Dollar starts to fall a little bit. 5 minutes. This could act as a support, inverted fair value gap.
Order submitted.
Should I buy that then? Let's buy it if we can get it. $98. Somebody wants 98.
Order cancelled.
98, 97. We took that 15 minutes and that 15 minutes. Here we have resistance. Trapped longs basically. They're going to be getting out. Market may pull down a little bit one more time. May do that. Or they will just squeeze. Look at that. Okay, so we'll have to look for some kind of pullback to get in on the long side. Pushing through, getting into this trap longs area. 90 is still waiting. And 90 has never been traded. That's interesting. 90 has never been traded. Not even once. Got 8 more minutes. It was 91. 50 was traded. So we're tapping into this fair value gap here. Let's just put that. That's the fair value gap we have. One more time. It's not a bad entry for short, to be honest, but 8 more minutes and we might push into this one. So plus the range is not great. I mean, this is the range. This is the range that we have. So 70% is here. 60%. That's 50. So that would be a good discount area for that short. Somewhere here. If we are going to do it. That's 110 level. Do I want to short that fucking thing? No. But I was buying longs here. Didn't buy here. I almost bought it. I was too greedy. Didn't get the price I wanted. We can just slowly get up and up and up, and then suddenly we're gonna push into 20. And liquidity is waiting. 7 more minutes. Okay. Just close this thing here. The problem is that this can just grind and grind higher into this area and that area. We go to 20. It's a lot of liquidity. 15 is waiting. Yeah. Not much here. So give me a pullback. And I will try to buy this off this fair value gap here.
Order submitted.
That's a bullish fair value gap. We tapped into, and we are topping again. Are we gonna tap in there one more time? Here's another one. To be honest, I'm more interested in this one. So if we pull, we're gonna pull here. How about we pull down here? Plus we have these shorts. They will be getting out. Maybe we'll get it. 102. Yeah. Oh, we would just probably go higher. Here's fair value gap as well. But that's chasing already. So we are above 50. That's chasing. It's just chasing. Two more minutes. Pull back. Is still waiting there. They're gonna wait. Probably 10 will be traded faster than 15 and 90. Because all of that buying now needs to sell. I need to sell it here. They need to sell it here. 1 minute, 30 seconds on this candle. Just push here and then continue and just basically push to another 15 minutes. That's most likely scenario. We do have a fair value gap here. We traded off a few times, but it's so high. Just so high. Yeah, I want this to tap in here. If we push right now and we fall, then I have to close. But if we drop and then we're gonna go. Market's gonna push. I can see it on Bookmap. Market is like getting ready to squeeze. But I'm not gonna buy that there. It's too expensive. In front of 70, forget it. Thank you very much. I might just miss this move because technically speaking, we could even go. That's the range. This is where we're going. Look at it. Okay, they did take that. It's a momentum trade right now. Yeah, there you go, 70%. Let's see if we're gonna pull back off the 70. There's another fair value up. Here. I'm not gonna show this. Market is getting impatient. Buyers are stepping in. Shorts are giving up. Shorts already know, oh fuck, no, this is not going down. Any pullback can be treated as an opportunity to get out for shorts. And those like me who missed that move, entire move, 92. It's fucking 18 points move. Because I didn't get what? 2 points lower. Let's remember the time. 18:16. That means it was 1:16 New York time. There you go. Squeezing to 15. Fi 15.19. No more hope for a drop down there. They withdraw. Liquidity and probably brought it higher here to buy.
Order canceled.
Yeah, I think I missed that move. I did take a bit of here. I didn't get in here on time. I was hoping for a drop to this order block. I'll show where the order block is here. I was hoping for a little drop into this order block. Technically there was a higher level here, but still we didn't get that. Yeah. So, and now market is climbing back. Liquidity is here, here, and here. And here we have a big fair value gap. Let's put that fair value gap there. Yep. Sorry, bearish. It's red. Oh, we could go there, and that's a bullish fair value gap. Let's make it bullish. Yeah. So we dropping off that fair value gap. Okay, so we're gonna get some pullback now. 905. Let's see how deep is gonna be that pullback. Is that an opportunity to get in long?
Order submitted.
Somewhere here at 100. Perhaps off this fair value gap. Here. 102. It is 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock, from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, we have a silver bullet trade. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop this video here and start a new one.